Hello, it's Napper from Enduro Engineering, and we're going to show you one of our newest and greatest products. It's our 25 chainsaw mount for all you people out there that do trail maintenance and stuff, and we thank you for that. And we're going to make it easier for you to carry your chainsaw around in the woods with you on your motorcycle. And we're going to show you how easy it is to install and how easy it is to get it on and off the motorcycle as you come up to that downed tree or those limbs that you need to take care of in the trail. We're going to go over the instruction on how to install, and we'll go from there. So when you unbox your chainsaw mount, you're going to need 3 tools. You're going to need a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten your bolts here for the fork mounts. We're going to need a screwdriver to install our chainsaw scabbard and the chainsaw guide block, and then also you're going to need a Torx T20 to put your brake guide, tighten that up depending on if you need to run your brake guide on the inside or on the outside for your brake line. So what we're going to need to do is you're going to take your chainsaw scabbard. It slides right through the hole like so. Then you take your chainsaw guide block, set it on top, and then you have your screw holes at the bottom, and you're going to install your Phillips screws. When installing the scabbard onto the chainsaw mount, it's best to install this top screw here and the bottom screw here. That helps center everything up. Once you're done with this process, we're ready to go to the motorcycle and install it on the front of the motorcycle. So when you receive your chainsaw mount, these blocks for your fork mount are going to be installed. We like to leave them a little bit loose so you can move them to where they need to be located. And then you'll get these 4 rubber straps. You're going to slide them through the slot cut holes like so. And you're going to want the hook kind of facing outward like so, and you'll see why in just a moment. So on this particular bike, we kind of lined up our blocks. You want the bottom block to kind of rest just on the top of the bottom triple clamp, like so. Then on this KTM with the headlight, we did move this block down to clear your headlight switch like so. And then once you get all that kind of lined up, just go ahead and grab your straps. You can put a good amount of tension on these and lock them in like so. Once you get the fork blocks tighten down with your fork straps, now is a good time to come through and tighten up your 4 bolts to the mount itself. Take your front brake hose located into the slot cut. You're going to take your 2 clamps that you have, and then you're going to thread those in using your T20. Okay, once you're finished with that, you're all set to put your chainsaw in there. We're going to show you how that works very well, and you should be all set after this. So we'll show chainsaw going in. On this particular chainsaw, we already have this mount here, the base plate here is movable. If you have a smaller body chainsaw, which will move in 5/8 of an inch to help brace your chainsaw there. We've already done that already since we've worked with this one, so it's all ready to go. So it's really as simple as locating your chainsaw like that. You got your strap here, and then what we like to do with the strap is this come on up next to your grab bar here, and tighten it down, and you're all set. When you're out in the field and you want to come up and you know, use your chainsaw, just kind of come up, and you don't have to take the strap all the way out, just kind of loosen this up and drop it down like so. Grab your chainsaw and then just replace like so. And there you go, you're all set to go do some trail maintenance. Thanks again for watching this instruction video from EE, and go out and clear some trail for us. Thank you.